Well, there's a high level of uncertainty in the USA, and nothing is more important for investors than predictable conditions for their investment.
So, yeah, I think it's a very complicated moment for CRE at this time, in this moment. And what changed due to the US policy in the world is not good for real estate, because real estate is long-term investment. We need credibility, we need trust, we need solidity, and we need things we can rely on. And all that is a little bit shattered at the moment, so it's not good for us.
Actually, I see a shift from US markets to the European market. It's not due to our strengths, but the given uncertainty of US policy decisions.
So it will take a longer time to come back to the conclusion, let's invest in the US because it's a great market. I'm afraid we are closer to divestment than investment, because I'm afraid that the changes we have seen are long-lasting.
In the long-term perspective, I expect the US to stay very strong. But there is a shift right now. Europe is becoming a bit of a safe haven due to political stability and to predictable framework conditions.
We could come to the point that it economically doesn't make sense to invest in the US. And because it's not our money we invest, it's the money of our clients, we have to make decisions then and say, okay, we pull back. So we are closer, unfortunately, to that than to come back as an investor.
We have unlocked the fiscal capacities of the European Union and of Germany in particular. Europe has to get faster. I see kind of a regulatory fatigue among member states and in Brussels itself.
Yeah, the opportunity in Germany and in Europe as a whole is that the capital flows are turning away from the US and looking where to go. And Europe is a place on the map where money can go, and we can also already feel it. In the equity market, we see it definitely. In the bond market, we see it a bit. And I could imagine in the real estate market, we will see it in the future. So the opportunity is that Europe is changing a lot now.
And the question now is, will Brussels, will we Europeans be able to get rid of red tape? Or at least can we stop the day and night working machine in Brussels to produce new bureaucracy for our businesses? The relationship across the Atlantic Ocean is very special because the US, they are the only superpower in the world which has allies. So it's not the time to pause investment decisions, but to find the opportunities which promise for the next couple of years results and return on investment.